Happy birthday, Kay! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Kay!
At dahil tatlong hari ka, tatlong bati para sa'yo. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Masayang nag-celebrate si Karil kahapon ng kanyang advanced birthday sa It's Showtime, kung saan, ay sa 22 pa sana ang kanyang kaarawan, at dahil nga ay Sunday ay in-advance ito ng programa, si Karil ay pinanganak noong March 22, 1981, absent naman si Kim Chu at Mim Vice at Ayon Perez at iba pang mga co-host nito.
Birthday. I want to greet Kay. Happy birthday. Baka pagdating naman si Kay.
Kahit wala, dito ngayon si Gael and of course my sister Z.
I love
Coco,
you.
you're here, Mama. I love you.
What's important is you have so much joy in your heart. Marami kang happiness, Kay. Ang dami na sumusuporta sa iyo.
Can you sing for me, Mama?
Happy
Diba?
Sa simula. Ang baba ng boses ng mama mo. Happy birthday, Kay Mama!
Happy birthday, Karel!
Okay.
Ano wish ni Kay? Ano wish ni Kay?
Siyempre, good health, world peace, no? Dumating na tayo sa mini-wish natin ng world peace. At siyempre, sana madlang people, supportan yung mga projects ko, especially my podcast, K-Drama sa Spotify. We're coming out with a brand new season. Sa Norte yan, ang muna kami sa Baguio and Laman yun. Sana po abangan ninyo. Thank you!
More success, Kay!
At my day this week, at sana po manood ka for our stage reading of Private Life sa Eastwood City. Salamat po! I love you, my show, my family! Abangan nyo! Kakasama with my band, KP8, and of course,
Yay!
to my oldest friend dito, DJ MOD. That's our
Here,
first
Molly.
ever single. Baby, I love you all.
Congrats, Kay and Ellie.
Again, advance happy birthday, Ate Karel! At naman po, walang people sa mga nangangarap naman na maging next grand champion.
Kay! Happy birthday, Kay! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Kay!
At dahil tatlong hari ka, tatlong bati para sa'yo. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.